And this is what he's doing. He's in this country illegally bringing this drug to your children. How do you like that? How do you like him smuggling 1,342 pounds or 120 gallons of liquid meth across the border? Then he's drying it out into the crystal form and giving it to your children, and he's here illegally. You like that? Well, when these Border Patrol agents are putting their life on the line at that border every day, that's what they're trying to stop from coming into this country. So don't believe that crap you're seeing on the evening news about there's no crisis at the border.